Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so diin day mo gahapon nga nawala man mundo ha.
Klase ko.
Klase niya ikaw, work. Okay, so you went to school and you went to work. So do you have something to say for Chosungjin Timjangnim?
Yes. Annyeonghaseyo, Chosungjin. I want to say thank you for your support and thanks for encouragement, and we cherish to continue support. Wishing you a good health and more blessings to come to your family. Kamsahamnida.
How about you, Cherry?
Annyeonghaseyo, Uncle Chosungjin. Firstly, I just wanted to say thank you for your kindness and support. I truly appreciate everything you do, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Wishing you a happiness and a good health.
Okay, so Cherry, what about your school average? Pila man yung school average?
Pag last sem kay 1.33.
1.33. Pila man ang equivalent sa inyong grading system niyo? Mga pila man?
Commercial. DL man to.
Sa man DL? Pila man na siya? Mga 80? 90 mga anak. Dili ka sure.
Sa
okay. So since you two were not able to attend the monthly event, so please receive this 1,000 each, and that is from Chosungjin.
Uncle Chosungjin, kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida, bye-bye.
Ayo, Inday. Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, so you are Ella? Marlinette. Okay. So Marlinette and Ella. Okay. So I'm here to deliver your guail fruits. Okay, you have 500 worth of fruits from Dongjunim. Here ha. Please receive. Bugat na Inday. Nana siya. Apple, orange, mango, banana, and grapes. So that is worth 500 pesos, and also Marlinette. Okay. Tokateo. That is from Dongjunim.
Dongjunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Kim Sanim. Thank you for the vitamins.
Alayo ang batalya nila kung makuha ng lebe dito ilutan. Naman. Sa pwede. Dito sa nilay sibog nila kami
Kim Sarangnim, kamsahamnida. Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Shan. Okay, so kumusta naman ka dodong?
Okay ra.
Okay. Your mama is kuan man no. So sorry for your loss, and also your brother, sister, baby sister also. 2 days ago when your mom's died, your sister follow no? Okay, sorry, Omyeon Shiknim gives 4,000 pesos for the condolence money. Okay. Sa inyo na family dodong ha. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is for your ate, Charmaine. Okay. That was given in the mercato outside. So that is from Daejunim.
Daejunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay. Bansal. Bye-bye. is 43 because 1599. And siya na yun. I like it. It's nice.
Calling the attention of Carly Fernandez for house meeting.
Caroline, kamsahamnida.
Say Ate Jocelyn. So, I am here to give you your 50 pesos transportation fee for tomorrow, okay? So, here's your 50 pesos. And you also ask for your new SIM card. Okay, naon sa yung SIM card lang?
Dili mag-load siya.
So, dili siya ma-loadan. Na-registered man to, di ba? Nikalit lang siya. Okay, so, I think SIM card is around 65 naman siguro, since it's already expensive. So, unsa man nga SIM card yung palitan? TNT. So, dili na ka sa Smart. Okay, so you try that one and just give me an update, ha? Okay, so, I will give you 100 pesos since you also said that the rest you will be buying floor wax for your project, right? So, sakto 100 atin, no? Okay, so, you have a total of 150.
Ligong garinig, kamsamida.
Sige, bye-bye, ate.
Hello guys, so today I am drinking milk. Choco, it's choco milk. Yummy. I partner it with bread because it's yummy. Here's the slice. I get one sliced bread and put it in the choco milk. It's yummy. Oh, it's hot, guys. Yummy. It's so yummy. I am on the time too. Put it again and eat. Yum. It's yummy if you partner it with sliced bread and a hot drink. Yes, it's yummy. Yum yum. Yeah. I rolled that in my finger. I roll it in my finger. It looked like a band-aid, but I ate. It's yummy. There's another one. Ooh. Yummy. Ooh, yums. I look like I'm mukbanging. I mukbang the bread. Next bread. Another bread. Yummy. It's so hot, so it's hard to eat. So hard because it's so hot. So I carefully eat the bread. Nom 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 nom. And that's all. Bye bye. Bye bye. That's all. 감사합니다. Thank you for watching.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So last time during the live event, you are failed the multiplication. What happened, Ana Marie? Na-failed kay?
Kulbaan.
Nervous? Na, kulbaan ka? Ano kulbaan man?
Opo ka. 2-6. Ako ko ba lang.
Nakulbaan ka? Kay walay times? Walay 2 times 6, ana? Imo na, kay random na ko ni mo na. So this is your assignment. Okay, so 30 na kabuk, no? Okay, ready na kay random? Okay. 6, 7.
42.
8, 6.
48.
3, 2.
6.
4, 4.
16.
6, 5.
30.
3, 4.
12.
4, 8.
32.
7, 3.
21.
4, 5.
20.
8, 7.
56.
Okay, so you are pass. Next time, study hard. Okay? Practice tag multiplication. Okay? Bye-bye. 안녕하세요. So Zia, last time sa office ni Sir, you are failed in multiplication. So here's your assignment. 30 ni kabuok. So 30. So random tika. Okay, are you ready? 6 times 4.
24.
7 times 8.
56.
6 times 8.
48.
3 times 3.
9.
4 times 4.
16.
7 times 3.
21.
6 times 7.
42.
4 times 9.
36.
6 times 8.
48.
3 times 4.
12.
Okay, so next time, yun na pagsayip, okay? Everyday practice. Sabot? Okay, so bye.